Isolated at the bottom of the world lies an entire continent sculpted by extremes, ancient myths, and mind-bending landscapes. Australia is a wild land where electric pink lakes slice through the desert, ancient emerald rainforests predate the dinosaurs, and towering monoliths change color under the vast desert sun. Rising above the deep blue waters of a breathtaking natural haven, the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge form one of the most iconic skylines on Earth. The gleaming sail-like roofs of the Opera House mimic massive shells catching the Pacific breeze, standing in brilliant contrast to the deep blue ocean. Beside it, the gigantic steel arch of the bridge anchors the bustling metropolis, affectionately known by locals as the Coatangur. Surrounded by sunlit coves, hidden sandy beaches, and sprawling coastal parks, this spectacular harbor serves as the dramatic, world-famous gateway to the Australian continent. Sprawling around the vast waters of Port Phillip Bay, Melbourne stands as Australia's vibrant cultural capital, famous for its grand Victorian architecture, maze of hidden laneways, and energetic urban spirit. Beyond its historic facades, the city pulse vibrates through thriving art precincts, sprawling botanical gardens, and the modern glass towers that frame the winding Yarra River. From its world-famous coffee culture tucked in stone alleys to massive sports arenas and glowing nighttime skylines, it is an urban masterpiece that perfectly blends old-world European charm with modern Southern Hemisphere energy. Stretching endlessly across the vast interior of the continent, the Australian Outback is a raw, sun-drenched wilderness of deep red soil and endless horizons. This immense desert heartland is sculpted by millions of years of wind and heat, where towering sandstone formations and dry riverbeds slice through a scorched landscape. Beneath the blazing sun, the deep crimson earth creates a striking contrast against the clear blue sky, while prehistoric rock formations hold sacred stories thousands of years old. It is an extraordinary silent realm that embodies the wild, untamed soul of Australia. Stretching for thousands of kilometers along the northern coastlines, Australia's tropical beaches are an absolute paradise of crystal clear turquoise waters and pristine white sand. Bordered by towering palm trees and endless ocean horizons, these untouched shores feature shallow, warm lagoons where gentle waves lap against powdery coasts. From secluded coastal coves to vast stretches of sun-drenched sand, this brilliant tropical coastline offers some of the most idyllic and breathtaking ocean views on Earth. Curving along the banks of its iconic winding river, Brisbane stands as Australia's sun-drenched subtropical metropolis. Famous for its open-air lifestyle, modern glass skyscrapers, and lush waterfront parks, the city seamlessly blends urban sophistication with a relaxed coastal atmosphere. Below the towering skyline, scenic riverfront promenades, manicured parklands, and artificial urban beaches offer a unique tropical refuge in the heart of the downtown district. From its striking bridges that illuminate the waters at night to the warm sunlight reflecting off sleek architectural towers, Brisbane delivers a dynamic, highly picturesque vision of modern Australian living. Deep within Australia's eastern coastline lie vast, dense tropical rainforests that have survived for over 180 million years. Tucked under a massive canopy of ancient trees, giant ferns, and winding vines, these lush green jungle ecosystems are flooded with emerald light, pristine rivers, and roaring, hidden waterfalls. The cool, damp air is rich with the sounds of rare native birds and hidden wildlife roaming through the thick undergrowth. It is a shadowy, untouched world that feels frozen in time, offering an unforgettable glimpse into the continent's prehistoric past. Isolated on the far western edge of the continent, Perth is a strikingly modern metropolis, defined by its clean, high-tech urban design and vast open layout. High-rise towers of polished steel and tinted glass form a compact, futuristic skyline overlooking wide roadways, expansive waterfront plazas, and massive civic bridges. Built with exceptional precision on a remote coastline, the city showcases a sophisticated blend of bold contemporary architecture, commercial districts, and state-of-the-art transit networks. It is a sleek, highly organized urban center that stands as a powerful testament to modern Australian infrastructure and Western economic growth. Separated from the mainland by the wild waters of the Bass Strait, Tasmania is an isolated island state defined by its rugged, untouched wilderness. Ancient glacial mountains rise dramatically above deep alpine lakes, dense temperate rainforests, and windswept coastal cliffs. Cold, crisp air and dramatic weather systems constantly sweep across the landscape, giving its sweeping valleys and quiet coastal coves a raw, dramatic atmosphere. Australia is a continent defined by pure contrast, ancient history, and unbelievable natural beauty. Shaped over millions of years by the ocean, the elements, and massive open landscapes, it remains a truly unique corner of the world. From its modern, polished cities to the untouched wilderness that surrounds them, every destination tells its own distinct story. It is a vast, unforgettable realm that leaves a lasting impression of raw, natural power, quiet isolation, and endless horizons.